Oh. Hey guys, sorry I didn't see you there. Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Sorry for that weird intro. But I am gonna do even though I haven't really mentioned this on my channel yet, I'm gonna be what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, even though I haven't mentioned this on my YouTube account yet, I kind of like CSGO. And if you guys do, you will instantly know what I'm gonna be doing just by the box. I cannot see into this box right now. I do not want a sneak peek. But, sorry. Oh my gosh, I have Justin Bieber here. Okay, there we go. That's normal here. Normal me? Justin Bieber me. Okay, so this is a CSGO butterfly knife. I don't think it's the skin from CSGO, but at least the design of it, like the shape and the design, that's at least from CSGO. So I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek. I have not seen this, I promise. I haven't seen it yet. So comment down below if you like it. I have not seen it, so I'm gonna open it right now. And I already cut it, obviously, because the lid can come off and everything. But everyone in the comments is gonna be like, that's bad for your knuckles and your neck and everything you pop. I can pop my ankle. Rock Lee here. But yeah, so let's just get into it. So I haven't actually really done the box. So this is the box. So this is not a CSGO box at all, and this is not a sponsor by where I got it, which I got this from Elite OP Knives. I think. I don't remember where I got it actually, but it's not a sponsor. I can't get sponsors because I'm not a good YouTuber at all. But here, so I'm gonna open it. I haven't seen it, so let's just open it. That is sick. They're like Deadpool here. Dang. Oh, and just to let you guys know, this is a trainer knife. It's not. Yeah, it's a trainer knife. Look how many holes. Holy cow. And yeah, it's a trainer knife. It's like not cutting me. If you got something good enough, like, yeah, this is like a square blade. But if you get something like the edge, you might be able to cut them maybe. But I'm not gonna try to do anything like compression. Just, oh yeah, oh yeah. But I can do 2 things, 4 things actually, but they're all the same thing, like the same like weird thing. And my phone is about to die. No. Okay. I can do 2 things. That's opening it and closing it. But I can do that in 4 ways. Well, actually, I can only do it in 2 ways. Never mind. So I'm actually gonna have to bring you guys closer. So. And if you guys know my TikTok account, I'll try to do a few videos with this. If you want me to, comment down below. But okay, so that's that. And then I'm gonna close it. I can see only those things. And I can cut a Cheeto with it. Pulls out a bowl of Cheetos. Oh, there's actual Cheetos here. brother's friend actually has a butterfly knife. I think his is a trainer knife. His has only 3 holes, like here. He has like one here, here, and here. I think here. Wait. Yeah, only 3 holes like that. He does not have doing math and calculations and scanning. There's 9 holes on this thing. I tried to make one of these out of popsicle sticks. I tried to watch a tutorial on how to do that from like 3 different people. But, so, that hurts though. This is heavy too. So like if you just walked up and just went, with the blade closed, just went, bop, you can probably like, give him a concussion or knock him out or something. No, I am not a professional. This is actually an early birthday gift that it came in today. Oh wait, no, there's something else in the box. Oh, there's a carrying pouch. Okay, so like you can like put this in here. So wait, let me just. No. She said one day. 1 sec. No, I'm not eating Cheetos off camera. Yeah, so you like can put it in like this and then like clip on your belt. Yeah, watch Deadpool have this in the 3rd Deadpool movie. Just fight me. This looks really cool though. I got a trainer one because 1, I don't need any more knives. 2, it can't cut me. 3, I want to practice my tricks. Like this. But the blade, it's like, if you guys play CSGO, it's like White Tiger kinda. You can't really see it. You know what? Why do I have a red thing when you know what, no. Focus. Yeah, it's like White Tiger kind of, but just all red. So, that's what his ad is like. But when, funny story, when I was actually trying to make this out of the popsicle sticks, I actually ended up making a switchblade. Because at the time, I thought butterfly knives. I'll be right back. I will be right back. I'll be right back, guys. Never mind, I do not have it. But at the time, you guys remember the knife that I showed you, right? The one that I said I was gonna use to open the Sasuke Kusanagi? Yeah, that's what I thought they were like. But, I thought they were like that instead of like this. Because I thought you just like, you flip it out like this, and the blade will just go. It kind of does do that, though, I guess. Wait, I'm trying to do another trick. Why am I here? Who let me buy a knife? I'm just kidding. Oh, that looked really good. It looks like light red. Cute epic montage. Me when I go to a party. Hey guys. No, me at a party. Hey guys. Them at the party. Where'd you get that? Get me. Get what? That knife. Oh, this? I got this one really old knife. But yeah, so it's really nice. I like it. It's kind of heavy, which I think I already said. Don't remember, so don't judge me. Why? I've seen one person. She cut her. So okay, she had a fake huntsman knife. It was like a trainer knife. She got a whole bunch of them. She actually did 2 parts. But they were all like fake knives. They were like toys. But she cut herself with it, and not sharp. Yeah. So, hey, if you guys were here, I wish you guys could just feel this, and just feel the power of Deadpool. I'm just kidding. That was weird. I can do a lot more tricks now. This is already a super long video, but I think I'm gonna end it here. And peace out, homies! Wait, before I do that, you guys want a Cheeto? You guys want one? You guys want one? Do you guys want one? Eat it already. Please. Eat it already! Haha. Peace out, homie! I'm just kidding. I'm gonna try to use my left hand. Peace out, homie!